It's been a month now. I'm really happy to be back at home in Alicante to do my morning routine. In today's video, I bring you inside my kitchen to share healthy recipes and to talk about antioxidants, because recently I was reading a lot about antioxidants, and when it comes to nutrition, antioxidants are all the rage. So I'm going to talk about some ways to ensure you're getting the right amounts of antioxidants in your body. Let's start today with the daily energy. Inside that coffee you have the collagen, the probiotics, the fibers and the vitamins, all your body needs to function better, or I think for me to function normally. So I want to drink it hot. I will add a little bit of hot water and a splash of milk. This one is soy milk without added sugar, obviously. Ta-da! Oh no, always add a little bit of my favorite spice, cinnamon. Yay! Look at this beauty. Remove all of it. All at once. Crazy, no? We add peanut butter, be generous. For the topping, add some of these. This is really good for your health. You can add it into your yogurt and everything. Really good for the immune system and to fight inflammation. And cinnamon. Try not to overcook your eggs because the fat, the yellow part, can be turned into a bad one. we are going to have some burrito at lunch. proteins are much better than the protein you can find in like lentils or veggies because you do not assimilate them the same way and they are not as concentrated also. And with the red meat you have a lot of other good things for health. So it's really good to eat red meat. I add a little bit of olive oil. I will do a salad also for myself because I'm not a huge fan of tortilla. Inside I will add what we have in the fridge. I will add the cucumbers inside. The salad tastes more fresh with it. It's almost like a Greek salad without the olives. Ta-dam! And for the burrito, I will add the tortillas on top of the meat like that in order to be hot. And then really quick, really simple, just cut a tomato. It's for the burrito to be a little bit juicy. Then I have some Spanish sheep cheese. Actually, I think I will add maybe 2.
I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. But think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. Where do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I can't tell. And what am I supposed to say? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? I thought I had it all, but boy, how could I ever be more wrong? Hey, so go ahead and leave it all. Oh, I just don't want to still be holding on. 'Cause all it took was just one moment. It often leaves me broken. Still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like?